We have now improved the synchronization of chain geometries when using the option of Smart Face to create the chain geometry. Let's, for example, take this pocket operation and we'll create a geometry using this face over here using Smart Face. We'll accept that. We'll add our tool, a 10mm end mill, and in our levels we'll just have it go down to the depth that we want to go down to this floor over here, and we'll do this at one step. And the way I like working in many cases is with open pocket, use profile strategy. We'll just accept that, save and calculate, and you can see the actual tool pass that we have over here, covering the entire surface. What I'm going to do now is close this part and then go back to the original part that I've built. Now what I'm going to do is take these features that were suppressed on my part and unsuppress them. And as you can see, by doing that, I've added a boss to this face over here, as well as extra elements to this outside area over here. We'll just save that. And now we'll reopen the part that we were just working on before. When I reopen the part, as usual, it will ask me if I want to replace the model with the new one. I'll click on yes. You can see the part has changed and it is now showing that it needs to be synchronized. I'll right click over here, synchronize my part, and if I take a look now at the actual operation, you'll see that we have now the new geometry automatically picked up because the Smart Face was tagged now as geometry, so it noticed the change on the face itself. I'll do save and calculate, and you can see the new tool pass as well.